Hello viewers and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn Instagram marketing from premium courses completely free. So I'm actually talking about Skillshare, which you may know is a paid platform where usually people pays a monthly or a yearly fee to get access to premium classes. But I'm actually going to show you how you can gain access to Skillshare premium classes completely free for 2 months. So first of all, let me show you the class or Instagram marketing course which I recommend to you. Instagram marketing, all right, and then select this one. And as you can see, this course from Diego Davila, he is a great guy and I have watched this course. This is an complete course for beginners or maybe who has some experience as well, but who is interested to learn Instagram marketing as a professional way. So let me just show you what you will get from this course. All right, so just take a look. There is features, and you can see as I am signed in with a premium account, I am being able to view any of these lectures. As you can see here, about 43 lectures. And if you let me show you how it will appear. Hey guys, all right, so he is actually going to walk you through a step-by-step process for every elements of Instagram marketing. All right, so now let me show you how you can gain access to this course completely free. As you can see, I am a premium member on Skillshare and I'm one of their partners. I have the ability to share my invitation link with my friends. So as you are watching this video on my channel, I'm considering you as my friend and I'm going to attach my invitation link into the video description so that you'll be able to get started from there. As you can see here, give your friends 2 free months of Skillshare Premium so that you'll be able to gain 2 free months. And how I will be benefited from that, here is the part, and earn free months when they sign up. So whenever you are going to sign up with a free Skillshare Premium membership, I am actually going to get free premium membership as well, which will save some of my money as well, which is really great. So this is a win-win situation, and I believe you are going to take this opportunity to learn Instagram marketing completely free from premium classes from high qualified instructors. All right, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like and share this video to help others, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this one in future. I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.